In this lecture, we are going to discuss about how a problem in which we are now converting the TVP data into the ASTM and EFV. So how we can do it, we will discuss in this one. So our main target is about whole basis, whole crude basis. So this is our first target in this video. So the first thing about the TVP data. So TVP data is basically given here. This is the volume percent x-axis and y-axis is the temperature in degrees Celsius. So this data we have converted this data into the equation, and this is the equation: y is equal to 0.0012 x cube minus 0.01633 x square plus 9.9376 x plus 60.698. So this is the value where x is the volume percent and y is the temperature in degrees Celsius. We have to put this one TVP equations to convert any volume percent into the temperature. So now let us take the example for converting the TVP data into the ASTM. The first thing is the TVP slope. So how to convert the TVP slope from the TVP data? So the formula is given here. The temperature as 20 volume percent minus the temperature as 10 volume percent divided by 60. So this is the basically the slope formula, and how we can calculate. We can calculate this by the equation. So for the 10 volume percent, it is given here, it is 145 degrees Celsius. For 70 volume percent, it is given here 368 degrees Celsius. Now we can calculate the slope simply using this equation. So the slope of the TVP data is 3.71. This is by using the formula. Now how to convert the ASTM and EVP slope from the given one? So ASTM slope can be calculated by the graph or the equations. This is the equation. We have converted the graph into the equation. So this is the equation where we can put the x value. X value is nothing but the TVP slope, and the y we can get the ASTM slope. Similarly, we can also get the EFV slope by the either go for the graph or by the equations. This is the equation. So we can put the x value, that is the TVP, and we can get the y value, that is the EFV slope. So in this case, we put the equation ASTM slope. We can get 3.27 by putting just the value of TVP in this one. Similarly, we can put the equation TVP slope in this the second equation, that is the EFV equation, and we can get the value as 2.26. So this is the first step. We can say that TVP slope, ASTM slope, and EFV slope. So in this way we can find out all these three slopes. Now come to the second one, the other parameters. The other parameter is the T50. T50 volume percent means the temperature is 50 volume percent. How we can go it for it? So as far as the TVP T50 is concerned, we can get the temperature at 50 volume percent by the equation. So it is equal to the 299.3, that is about the 300 degrees Celsius. And we can convert the T50 of the TVP into the ASTM by using this formula. Simply use this formula to convert the TVP T50 into the ASTM T50. That becomes 314 degree Celsius. Now the third one, that is the important one. For the calculation of EFV, this is EFV T50. For that then we need to calculate the we have to use the graph. How we can use the graph and how we can get this value? Now let us look in this one. This is the graph. You see in the x-axis, it is the 50 volume percent of either ASTM or TVP. So we take TVP. There are two curves. One is a straight line and the second is a dotted lines. These are straight line and dotted lines. So straight line simple without a dot, there is a TVP, and dotted line are ASTM. So if suppose we are selecting the TVP option, so it means we have to go for the straight line, simply straight line. So x-axis is clear. X-axis is the T50 volume percent of the TVP. So in our case it is 299.3. So you can say 300. So this is the TVP T50. Okay, now come to the y-axis. Y-axis is given the distillation 50% point minus flash 50% points. It means that distillation means TVP distillation minus flash any EFV. So this y-axis is nothing but the difference of these two values. So we can get these are the slopes basically, 0.56, 1.67. So if you see in the previous one, the slope of the slope of TVP is 3.71. So we can go at 3.71, 3.9 is this one. So maybe 3.71 it lies here. Approximate value you can say this is 3.71. So this value, if you draw this line, and it comes around very close to the 20. If I say it is 90. So the difference between these two values is 90 degrees. TUP minus EFB is equal to 90 degrees Celsius. Now the next part, how to calculate basically the this one, EFB one. So TBP minus EFB is equal to 90. So EFB is equal to TBP minus 90. So TBP is given as 299.3 minus 90. It gives the value as 280.3 degrees Celsius. So in this way we can find out the EFB T50. So we can say we have calculated all these values, 280. So T50 of all these values are being calculated. Slope is also calculated. So this is all about, in fact, this is all about the calculations. Thank you very much.